Dance some music, Petunia. I'm trying to teach her to dance, guys, but she's more interested in eating. Look, that's Mommy Corella right there. And the Corellas are arriving. All my rainbow family is here. Look at Petunia. You look like Cindy Crawford, Mama. I just find her little belly so cute. Safe places to pat birds is their feet and their head. And how beautiful, they feel so warm. Beautiful princess. Anything you want to tell the people of Daisy Hill, Mama? And the world, all your fans? All your fans? The only problem is that you're married, isn't it?